Show what it's like to have to pick out fabric. Weirdo. Doing in Hobby Lobby, Christina.
Why are you taping this so heavy?
Show what it's like to have to pick out fabric. Weirdo.
So now you know.
Not that there's any choices or anything. So she brought in a couple things with the colors in this newest camper. Try to match it. Look at the fabric in here. If you've never been in Hobby Lobby, this is the indoor-outdoor stuff. Works best. That'd be this section right here. Well, look at all this. Home decor. Here. Looking with something, the colors orange and that green. So we'll have to see. You know it's almost 2 o'clock.
Yes, I know it's almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:56.
What are you supposed to be doing right now? Seriously, what are you supposed to be doing right now?
Doing exactly what I'm doing. That's what I'm supposed to be doing.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, really.
So you're out running the roads and you're supposed to be painting on this new camper.
No, I think you're supposed to be doing it.
No? No, I'm the artistic coordinator.
This is an Adirondack auto commercial.
I'm an artistic coordinator on this job. You're the laborer.
No, let's just put it in layman's terms. I'm the boss.
Layman's terms.
Yes. Keep it
Okay.
basic here. I'm the boss. You're the worker bee. You're slacking, and I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to be doing.
Out gallivanting all over Plattsburgh. So tell the folks out in YouTube land what it is you've been doing.
We've been shopping.
Shopping? Where'd you go?
We went to Hobby Lobby. We went to Walmart. And we went to Lowe's, which is right about the same level as Walmart in my book.
So the only store out of those three you really like is Hobby Lobby?
Yeah, that's the place to be.
Okay. So, you picked out some fabric. We'll show the folks a little later what you got for fabric. You had to look at every fabric in the place.
Whatever, there was a bunch of them.
Are you sure? Oh, if they didn't have the color, blatantly have the colors you were looking
Yep.
for, then you just kind of skimmed over it. So, you're pretty content, pretty happy with what you picked out?
I am. I like the colors. I like the patterns. I'm a little concerned or worried, just trying to figure out how to, because I have two different patterns that complement each other, how I'm going to do it, because I don't have enough of one or the other to do all of them.
What did they say?
Who's they?
The fabrics, you said they complemented each other? What did they say exactly?
You're pretty. You're pretty too.
Okay.
Hey there, coconut. I like your dogs. I like your stripes.
Oh my God, you are ridiculous. So, you heard this conversation going on in Hobby Lobby amongst the fabrics complimenting each other?
I did. They were all.
They weren't all complimenting each other, were they?
Not all of them. A lot of throwing insults at each other.
So you didn't want to put those two together, right?
That's right.
The ones that were insulting each other?
Don't you dare put me on the street.
Okay. Did they do the little, shoulder move, the
I'm stiff.
the little head swivel and all that
You do it
stuff?
better than I do.
Yeah.
You practice
Okay.
more at it.
Now you're being ridiculous. We want anybody to see us being ridiculous in these videos. So I put the canned ham back on the market last night. And I'm not going to chicken out this time. Is that the bet you made, by the way, with my father? That I'll get it done and then I'll sell it? That the prediction that you made?
I can't remember what it was.
Oh my God. If I was
Oh.
betting, that was probably what you said.
I don't remember what it was.
So I put the canned ham back on the market for slightly higher than it was before when I chickened out. Because we put, what did you say, another $300 into it? Plus more work and stuff. So I jacked the price up a little bit. And I had so many people checking on it that my phone went dead. So now my phone's charging. And then we got separated in Lowe's. Christina got very frustrated.
Christina always gets separated from Doug, and it doesn't matter where we're at. We can be in Lowe's, we can be in Aldi's, we can be in Walmart, we can be in the post office and we get separated.
A post office. Yes, our post office is so huge, folks. We have 1,000 people in our town. We have
Last
a
thing I said to
huge
Doug,
post
meet me
office.
by the
It's like a
bathrooms.
closet.
I'm searching and searching and searching for him, and where is he? He's outside by the car. I guess maybe that's his bathroom, but it's not my bathroom.
Not in broad daylight, it's not. So you searched and searched in a fruitless hunt, in other words?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's his hunt.
You didn't find me, that was the fruitless part. So here I am, what do you want to say to me?
I can't say it on camera.
Oh! Alright. So we're going to take a look at that fabric now.
Christina.
Just want to show off my new pillow.
Did you get that from that pillow guy?
My pillow.
That is your pillow.
It is my pillow. It's not his pillow though. It's my pillow.
Why'd you point at the neighbors? Not their pillow. It's your pillow.
All right, so here's the fabric we got.
Look at this, folks.
We got
We have a sound
This?
effect for a drum roll.
dirty. That's the fabric.
Wow.
And this is the secondary fabric that we
Secondary fabric.
maybe that looks together.
It's beautiful.
Because we have the green. Well, I think I have them in here. Yeah. So here's the green color,
Her swatches.
the paint that we have, the some accents, and then of course the orange accents. So I think that's gonna look good.
Is that what you think?
I know.
And you are
I know it's gonna look
a
good.
vintage camper interior decorator now.
Oh yes, official. It's official, folks.
Well, my phone has been going nuts for this little beauty. That's funny. I was telling somebody today we're fixing up campers and reselling them, and they said, those are a hot item? I said, yeah, they really are. Little town, everybody knows everybody. It's starting to look like fall around here. Look at the leaves over at my parents' house. This one's always one of the last ones to lose its leaves. This beautiful tree out in front of our house. So time to carry some stuff in. We've been shopping like all day. We're supposed to be painting that other camper. Camera shy? Whoa. What was that all about, Turbo? Look at this, folks. It's starting to look like fall out here. Leaves all over the deck. The hot tub. 104 degrees. Might have to jump in that tonight. There it is, the backyard camping spot. Hasn't been raining lately. It's rented Columbus Day weekend. I have to blow some leaves around. It's definitely feeling like fall today. It's like 55 degrees. And there it is, the humble abode.
I heard you beep beep beeping. Why do you cut it?
Christina at 360 degrees. Uh-oh, here comes Sister Smidgeto. The YouTube sensation of the year.
Wait for them. Of course, the wind starts up.
It's Ben going Are you there?
You can tap on it like
Hello?
this.